We're here right now in Damac Hills to show you this incredible property, fully upgraded VD1 on the golf course, incredible views, stunning pool, fire pit, steam room, sauna, the whole works. Let's go see what everyone has to think about it. Mr. Sales Director Gill, how do you think of the house so far? What do you think? What are your thoughts?
Incredible renovation, great quality, great finishing, lovely view. I think you get a lot for your money here, so it's definitely one to watch for.
Absolutely beautiful. Love the location. You can see a lot of attention to detail, and the landlord spared absolutely no expense when it comes to the finishing.
I think it's absolutely amazing. I don't think we often see houses in Dubai as architecturally beautiful as this. With the high ceilings, it's really well laid out from a space point of view. I think it's unique and really, really amazing.
What are your thoughts so far on this house?
Well, I think they've clearly done a fantastic job in it. I think the sheer actual size and space of the master and the ensuite is absolutely fantastic. You got the view straight onto the golf course.
Obviously, I'm a little bit biased because I live here, but yeah, Damac is as a community goes. If you have children, it's good. If you like golf, it's good. From a pricing point, we've looked around and we've compared Dubai Hills, Damac Hills, Jumeirah Park, Victory Heights. Yeah, we compared because some of those villas in Jumeirah Islands are actually the same size. The advantage that you have here is golf course views, which they don't have. So you're looking at 20s, 22s, 24s, 25s, whereas Damac, you're looking at 16s, 17s, 18s.
Yeah.
You know, so location's a little bit different, but if you don't mind a slightly different location, then happy days.